Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the absolute essentials for every electrician: safety and tools. Getting the job done right means getting it done safely. So let's jump in. First up, my top 5 safety tips. 1. Always, and I mean always, de-energize the circuit. 2. Use lockout-tagout procedures. 3. Wear your PPE gloves and safety glasses are non-negotiable. 4. Test before you touch. Use a reliable voltage tester. And 5. Never work alone on a live circuit. Now, for the tools you can't live without. A quality multimeter is your best friend for diagnostics. Insulated screwdrivers and pliers are a must to protect you from shock. And of course, a reliable pair of wire strippers will make your life so much easier. Having the right gear isn't just about efficiency. It's about keeping you safe on the job. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Stay safe out there.